Welcome to the user instruction video for pdf2CAD. After successfully installing our plugin, you will find a new ribbon in AutoCAD. Click on it to explore the plugin's features. First, import a PDF file by clicking the Import button. Next, you can define up to 3 font sizes from the loaded file. For each font size, select the desired value and click Set. Then select the lowest and highest point of a text to calibrate the font size. Three different text recognition modes are available. Horizontal text recognition detects text that is not rotated. Select the horizontal text recognition mode and draw a rectangle around the text you want to recognize. After successful recognition, a dialog appears that allows you to further adjust the font size. Vertical text recognition detects text that is rotated by 90 degrees. The recognition process follows the same principle as horizontal text recognition. With custom text recognition, you can manually calibrate the rotation angle of the text to be recognized. To do this, draw a line, preferably underneath the text, at the same angle as the text. The text will then be recognized and placed at the specified angle. Using the visibility toggle, you can choose to display only the imported file, only the recognized text, or both by default.